An environmental problem is characterized by damage to nature, and this mainly due to human beings stick neighborhoods. Types of environmental problems, for example, visual pollution, air pollution, pollution oxygen, and acid rain. Acid rain is one of the most visible and notorious of man. The man-is pollution consequence. In several regions of the world, when it's raining stop to see several acres of oil footage that looks dry, being burned as if some toxic solution were poured over them. In many large cities, one kind of buildings, billboards, are never rust and badly damaged in a very peculiar way monuments, and this is the result of acid rain.
Acid rain is a result of air pollution. When any type of fuel is burned, lots of different chemicals are produced. The smoke that comes from a fire or the fumes that come out of a car exhaust don't just contain the sooty gray particles that you can see. They also contain lots of invisible gases that can be even more harmful to our environment. Power stations, factories, and cars all burn fuels, and therefore they all produce pollution gases. Some of these gases react with the tiny droplets of water in clouds to form sulfuric acid and nitric acids. The rain from these clouds then falls as very weak acid.
Who it is formed and what impact does acid rain? When acid rain is formed, this chemical falls into the water mixed with soil's precipitations. It may be in the form of hail, rains, drizzles, snow, or fog, and its effect can cause significant damage to both environment and animal and plant health. Gases responsible for formation of acid rain are nitrogen oxide and sulfur dioxide and can travel many kilometers moving by the wind before precipitation on surface. Acid rain causes major environment damage beginning the crowd cause dangerous water acidification of lakes, rivers, and seas. This causes a great impact on aquatic life in the production of large fishing kills and many other living things. By its crossover characteristic, acid rain can seriously damage some buildings. It's able to dissolve such as monuments or buildings made of marble or limestone.
Okay, now I'm going to tell some of the advices or recommendations to reduce the acid rain. First, you can promote to use the public transportation. The government can restrict the movement of vehicles and create a pedestrian zone in urban areas. Also, they can encourage or penalize manufacturers through subsidies and taxes based on consumption and the level of emissions of their cars. Otherwise, they can invest in research and development of engines with clean technologies that reduce fuel consumption and emissions. One example is to use the catalytic filter. Another one is to implement techniques that reduce the combustion temperature in industrial processes, which will eliminate almost a half of the emissions. Also, you can install taller chimney formation of coolant that high layers of the atmospheric gases favor the dissipation of these gases.